Well, hello there, viewers. They're both working now. We got the proper gimbal off. See which one's smoother. Smooth as butter. That's what we're looking for. Oh, what's happened here? Too smooth. Too smooth for cool. School? School? Too school. What am I trying to say? Too cool for school. Forget it. So, here we go. Now, obviously, they both have different size lenses, which makes things slightly difficult to do. But we're trying to say which one's a smoother view. Smoother view. Who's got the smoother view? Who can be smoother? Smoother than a Sunday morning. Gotta pick my nose. Oh no. Oh, bollocks. It stopped recording, so we have to go 1 minute 10, go! Right, so we have to remember that 1 minute 10 it stopped recording so we can kind of tag them up together. So which one do we prefer? They're both kind of completely different. So when people go, oh, I prefer this one over that one, well, you can't really, because although they're both gimbals, see, it does that. That's what annoys me. Matches out. Yeah, so you turn it, and because it's like too heavy, it's thought about getting a different phone for it. So that does do that as well. It's not quite as noticeable. Obviously, it's horrendously tiny. Pitch quality, you can't knock that iPhone, can you? It's pretty good. Up some stairs. Nice walk in the park. Sadly, we can't go out today because it's raining. And we're also expecting a thing from Amazon. It's a train. We like trains also. Maybe we should get a new channel which covers trains. Down some stairs. If this goes wrong, it's a very expensive wrong thing to do. Running no stairs. The DJi is getting confused. Forwards. Wow. Right, so we're trying lock mode now. So I press that on there, and this one I press that. So, I'm straight. About the same minute. And lock. And this one works. Does that not work? Hang on. Yeah, face forward. Now I lock. Now the both facing forward. No matter what I do. I did that. And I lost it. Too far. Twist the gimbals a little. It's gone. She's gone. She's confused. She's well gone. Come back. So there we go. Which one's best? Well, they're both completely different. So every time you see a review say which one's best, ignore it. Ooh. Because they're both completely different. What's happened here? Spazzing out a bit. There we go. So you can't get the same shot. So people go, oh, it's the same or similar. They're just completely different bits of kit. So how you even compare DJi Osmo to that? You can't. The Osmo's great. I just really like the Gopro. It's just there, isn't it? Single, Works fine. Would I say this? See, I kind of think that the phone's a bit too big for it. That's what I think. That's an iPhone 7 Plus. So that's the only thing I'd say. If you're doing slow stuff, it's okay. Do 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 do. Fast stuff. Keep it up here. There you go. It's just better weighted, isn't it? It's a different kind of gimbal completely. So, in review, if you've got a GoPro, buy one of these. If you've got a smartphone, buy one of these. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.